final pickup. I haven't checked it, don't know what's in it. I know they're not worth as much these days, but hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just going to go through a few bits that I picked up this week. Most of it was today. I've picked up a few bits during the week. Thought I would just go through what I've picked up and hopefully put some pictures up to sort of show what I'm hoping to get back. So I went to a few charity shops today and a jumble sale. It's the first time I've been to a jumble sale in quite a few weeks, so yeah, exciting. But I'll go through what I picked up during the week first. It's quite clothes heavy, so yeah, bear with me. So this is my first pickup. It's South Africa rugby top, Canterbury. Not totally sure. I've tried looking for this one. I can't see this one. Size XL. It was only £3, so I thought it's probably worth a punt. That was first, and then yesterday I got these, which are some Levi's 501s, 36. They were £3, but I didn't realise till I got home that the one of these has come off. So I might list it anyway, because they're only £3. I might just list them and see. Because apart from that, they're in pretty good condition. It's just yeah, annoying that I didn't spot it until I got in, which is always the way. I picked up this as well, which is like it was zip up top. What size is it? Size medium, but it's 100% merino wool, which I think can do quite well, and it was only £2. I couldn't really see much in terms of comps. It looks really small, so it might be a women's. That's just a style, don't know. But yeah, quite sort of like a mushroomy colour, I guess. Yeah, quite nice. £2. And then I grabbed these as well. Again, couldn't really find anything in terms of comps. But £2. A pair of, what size are they? Triple XL. Huge shorts. Could wear these. This is a top. But they getting off track. These are from Disney parks. So yeah, Disney parks, original. I just thought the pattern was quite cool, and the fact that they said Disney, so I thought I'd give them a go, and they're massive as well. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. And I picked this up as well, which was just an ink set that was £3. I think they can go for about 15. I think it is plus postage. So yeah, hopefully that'll be a nice quick sale, but we'll see. And then I'll go on to today's pickups, so the Jumble Sale. So I haven't been to one in ages, and it was quite nice, and everything was just so cheap. So yeah, I'll show you what I got. So I picked up this. It's a vintage St Michael jumper. Look at that pattern. Size 40 chest by the looks of it. Yeah, 40-inch chest. So I don't know what that works out as, but it's probably about a medium, I would imagine. It looks like it would fit me. But yeah, just like a funky pattern. Yeah, so I got that. I picked up this, which I thought was quite cool. It's a Team GB Adidas Climber Light top. Yeah, it was quite nice. Stripes and everything. Again, size XL, so good size. And I can't remember. I think I bought like 5 items, and it came to like £2 or something silly. So yeah, that, I don't know what that's worth again, but looks quite cool. I picked up this, which is old Lee. I think that's it looks like a vintage Lee tag. Sweatshirt, and it's got a little. It's got a. I think it says Vancouver. Oh no, Vermont. Sorry, but it's like embroidered on there. I just thought it was quite a sort of cool looking sweatshirt, and I'm pretty sure that's vintage. I'll have to check the tags of when it was made, but yeah, it was cool. Got a rugby shirt, long sleeve. It's got no team on it, but I was just kind of grabbing it. It's proper. It's got the rubber buttons, so it's definitely a rugby shirt. Cotton traders, long sleeved, really nice colour. Yeah, that, don't know what size it is. That's size medium apparently, so yeah, good. And then I got this coat as well, which is Ayacucho. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, probably not. Ayacucho, size XL. I tried it on. It's not a size XL for men. It must be a size XL for women. I've had a quick look since, and they seem to do women's coats. But it's got a little. I think it's like a hiking coat, so it's lightweight but warm. So I think it cost me like 50p, something silly like that. So looks like it goes into about 20 quid, maybe 25 possibly. So yeah, some really cool pickups. Really enjoying picking up clothes at the minute actually, so it's quite a nice learning curve. Right, and I'll go through some games I got. So I've got some PS2 games, Sega Superstars, Simpsons Hit and Run, Harry Potter Quidditch World Cup, Hot Wheels World Race, and Crazy Frog Racer. I've not looked any of them up. I don't think I've sold them before, but yeah, it's so cheap I just thought I'd grab them. I've got FIFA 98 as well, and Crash Bandicoot 2. I've not tested them obviously. This has not got a. It has got a front cover. It's not got an instruction booklet. But should hopefully do all right. And I think that lot of games. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 games. I think she said it was like £3 or something. So yeah, pretty sure my money is safe. Next, some videos. I don't pick up many videos. The ones to look out for, I find, is the old kids TV shows. And luckily they had 3 there, so I grabbed them. I think it was like 50p for all 3. So I got Bob the Builder. I've sold some before, but I did bundle them up. So if it doesn't sell on its own, this one, I might just wait and see if I pick some more up at Car Boots. I've got Campbell Green, and this was a Woolworths exclusive, children's preschool favourites. Yeah, I know some of these can do quite well. I remember had one before, which was like a Christmas BBC one, and that sold for about £20 and went off to Australia for a VHS, which, you know, a bit crazy really. And then also probably the most expensive pickup of the day, which is probably getting the least money back. So it's a bit of a rubbish one, but nothing was priced. So, but they had the what are they called? Northern Lights Trilogy, and they were 50p each. So a bit more than I'd usually like to spend for books, but I know they can sell quite well. I usually sell them for, I think, about £8 plus postage. So not great profit, but in the grand scheme of everything that I've picked up, perfect. So yeah, I'm happy to if they sell quick, which they generally do for me. So it's good. Right, now I'll go through some charity shop pickups as well. I only went to a few, didn't get much. So I went through all the blokes' clothes, couldn't find anything. And then there was a women's section right next to it, so I thought I'd have a quick skim to see if there's anything. And they had this, which is an M&S jumper, but it's pure cashmere. Yeah, pure cashmere M&S collection. Really soft, obviously, as you'd expect with cashmere. And like a nice colour as well. It's like a fuchsia pink, I suppose. And it was $3.99. I had a quick look while I was in there, and it looked like some had sold for about £30, something like that. So yeah, and it's got like little zips down the sides as well, which I thought was quite nice. I couldn't really see a size. It says a size on the tag, but it looks like they've cut it out. But I'll just measure it up, I guess, and go from there. And I picked up a Monster High doll. It was just in with a load of Barbies, and I know some of these can do okay. Again, I had a quick look up. Looks like some had gone for like 15, 20 quid, something like that. I don't know if it was this one. I didn't have a good look, but it's got shoes. It's got a little thing on her wrist, headband, and a dress and stuff. So got lots of accessories, and it was only £1. So thought I'd give it a go, see how it is. I know some of them can do well. And then final pickup. I haven't checked it. Don't know what's in it. I know they're not worth as much these days, but it's my first ever question of sport. This is I know there's so many of them around at the minute, so the cards aren't worth as much, and I don't even know if they're in there. It was in a British Heart Foundation, which are usually pretty hot on that type of thing, so I'm thinking it's not in there. It was only $2.99, and worst case scenario, I'll just sell the rest of the cards on. But if it has got one, I might think about getting it graded. I know a lot of people are doing that these days. Yeah, so we'll see. I know Masterpieces is doing a lot of grading at the minute. It's quite interesting to see what he comes back with, and I know a lot of other people are as well. So yeah, I will either keep you informed and let you know in the next video, or I'll add on this little video and add it on the end and let you know if it's in there. Well, if the others are in there. It's not just the Mike Tyson card, but it's there's lots of ones. The Ayrton Senna card, the Maradona card. I think there's quite a few that are worth a bit, so it's got to be worth, if one of them is in there, it's got to be worth more than $2.99. But we shall see. If not, spares and repairs. I don't know. Or just throw it on the fire and hope for the best. Yeah, there we go. So that's pretty much all my pickups from this. There were some other bits, but they're not that interesting. I'll show you quick. They're just here. So yeah, I picked up these are like early in the week. I can't remember what day I picked these up now. But I've picked up a Supernatural DVD box set. So it's seasons 1 to 7. So it was only about half of the actual TV show. Great TV show. If you haven't watched Supernatural, amazing. That was £1.50 for that, and it looks brand new pretty much. I think there's some that have gone for about £35. So yeah, really pleased with that. Picked up a little board game as well called Selfish Zombie Edition. This was 50p. Some have sold around, I think I couldn't see any of the used ones that have sold. There's only a few that had sold new for about 15, 20 quid, something like that. But I just, for 50p, thought I'd give it a go. See how it does. Picked up some vinyl. As people who've watched this channel know that I love picking up my vinyl. Haven't really listed any of it yet, and there's nothing that good in here. There's a few, so I'll go through. There's a few of the hot hits. There's like 4 of them, so I'll probably bundle them up together. I've got this one because some of these I've noticed, so precariously balanced there. Deutsche Grammophon. That some of them can do all right. So I thought I'd pick it up. It was 20p, but it's not really worth much. But I'll probably put it with a load of other vinyl bundle. Joe Norma Trading, don't think it's worth much. Solomon, I've got one listed for about 15 quid, and this was only 20p. So thought I'd grab it just in case. Cats, I was really excited about this. I thought, oh, that's going to be worth a load of money, but no, it's not at all. There's a few on there for $9.99, but I can't see any that have actually sold. Disappointing. 20 gold number ones, probably worth a tenner. Best Nat King Cole, I think I sold that recently for about £8, so not great. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy Part 2, which I thought was quite interesting. I think that's probably about a tenner or something like that. Simon and Garfunkel, Bridge Over Troubled Water, again probably about a tenner. And David Cassidy, Rock Me Baby, which is pretty worthless. So yeah, good shout, Steve. Well done. But I did get this. So it's the Scrabble Deluxe. I've checked it all. I think it was complete. Missing a pencil and pads, but apart from that, all the actual stuff was there. It was £3. So yeah, bargain, because they can go for about 35, 40, something like that. I've sold a couple, not quite this one, but I've sold a couple in the past, and they've done pretty well. So yeah, that's it. That was all my pickups. I've got lots of listing to do. So today I'm going through some like bigger items to try and things that I've been meaning to get tested and haven't got tested. So I've got like a Thomas Trackmaster set. I've got an old amplifier which I've picked up for free. It was left outside someone's house and it's all boxed, and I just need to test it, make sure it works. But if so, I think it goes for about 80 odd quid. So yeah, fingers crossed that works. And a few other bits just want to get listed, get them out of the way. Hopefully bigger items that can create some space and get me some money. Yes, so thank you very much for watching. If you like this kind of video, please hit subscribe, please like and all that kind of jazz. Just over 500 subscribers now, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you everyone for watching and for subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. So yes, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I'm no expert by any means, but thought I would just put these in here. So we've got Art Senna, Maradona, other Art Senna. It's Philip, apparently, it's quite a popular one, and a Mike Tyson, all in here, all in very good condition. The centering doesn't look quite right, but yeah, what do you reckon I should do? Shall I hold on to them, or shall I get them, what's the word, graded, and hold on to them then? Let me know, I'm not sure.